Hi and welcome back to this kitchen. On today's video I want to share with you some quick mocktail recipes that you can make for your loved ones this Valentine's. It is so easy to make and you don't need to rob the bank to make them. To make this drink, we only need a bottle of Sprite and some bottles of Calypso. I'll be using the blue and the red one. Feel free to use any of the colors that you prefer. Ice is going to take this drink to the next level, and to make some ice I'll be using my ice maker machine by Free Village. I love that this machine makes various sizes of ice. You can either make the small ones or the large one. I'll put the link to this machine in the description box with some discount code. Make sure to check it out if you're looking for a good ice maker machine. We also need some strawberries and some mint leaf to top our mocktails. Enjoy the rest of this video and let me know in the comment section which of these mocktails is your favorite.